What is the history of neutrality laws in modern warfare? Imagine a world where countries can choose to stay out of conflicts to protect their people and avoid destruction. That idea of staying neutral has shaped international rules for over a century. It all started with the Hague Conventions of 1907. These treaties set clear rules for neutral states, saying they must not take sides or support one side with weapons or troops. They also had to stop belligerent armies from crossing their borders and allow inspections at sea to make sure no one was breaking neutrality. As time went on, especially during the interwar years and World War II, neutrality laws faced new challenges. Countries like the United States declared neutrality but still helped allies through measures like the Lend-Lease Act. This law allowed the United States to send arms and supplies to countries fighting against aggression without officially joining the war. The 1930s saw the Neutrality Acts in the United States, which aimed to keep the country out of foreign wars by restricting arms exports. But as threats grew, these laws were changed to permit some support for allies. The Kellogg-Briand Pact of 1928 added a new twist. It declared war illegal as a tool of national policy and suggested that countries could respond to illegal wars with force. This made neutrality more complicated because it blurred the lines between staying neutral and acting against aggressors. After the Second World War, the United Nations Charter changed the game again. It focused on stopping the use of force altogether and emphasized collective security. Countries no longer needed to ask permission to defend themselves, which made traditional ideas of neutrality less relevant. In recent decades, the idea of neutrality has become more flexible. Countries might avoid direct fighting but still give logistical or intelligence support. This is called qualified neutrality or non-belligerency. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has brought new questions about what neutrality means today. Modern warfare also includes cyber and information battles, which make enforcing neutrality even harder. International humanitarian law, including the Geneva Conventions, aims to protect civilians and limit conflict spread. Neutral states are expected to prevent their territory from being used for military operations and to avoid participating in hostilities. Over time, the rules about neutrality have grown more adaptable, reflecting the changing nature of war and the importance of protecting civilians. This history shows how international laws have evolved from strict rules to more nuanced guidelines, all trying to keep conflicts contained and civilians safe.